Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to WatchWire News. I'm your host today. We've got a real treat for you. Our fitness editor Jane McGuire has ditched her Apple Watch 10 for the Garmin Fenix 8. And she's here to share what happened when she went full-time with this sports watch. So, let's get straight into it. When I first started using my Apple Watch 10, I was completely hooked on closing those rings. But as an active person, I've always swum through, or rather, run, walk and cycle my way through the days in a pretty busy schedule. What surprised me is that, when I switched to the Garmin Fenix 8 for a month, I didn't feel the same sense of motivation. The reason behind this was the release of Apple's pause feature for their rings, which has been a game-changer for those like me who want to keep track of our daily activity without feeling too much pressure. For months now, I've struggled with postnatal depression after having my baby and didn't have the energy or motivation to do even a few laps around the block when I needed to move. But despite that, the Garmin Fenix 8 has a feature called Body Battery, which looks at multiple factors like sleep quality, exercise levels, and nutrition to give you an estimate of your energy levels for each day. This was a great alternative to Apple's rings, as it didn't feel so intrusive or stressful when dealing with life's postnatal challenges. I've also loved the daily suggested workouts feature, encouraging me to stay on track even when motivation is hard to come by. And speaking of workout tracking, I've found that Garmin does this one step better than Apple. Their menstrual health tracking has been spot on for me throughout my cycle and offered some really helpful insights into how training can affect things like fertility. But what about battery life? Well, in short, the Fenix 8 lasts a whopping 10 days in smartwatch mode, compared to just 4 on the Apple Watch. And that was a major plus when I started wearing it for longer periods without charging, no more pesky nightly charge reminders. Wearing the watch day and night gave me even better data on sleep quality and daily activity levels, which I really liked. But let's not forget about style. The rose gold 43 version of this watch is a real head-turner, so don't be fooled by its rugged design. In short, while it's undoubtedly an investment, I've been hooked from day one. The Garmin Fenix 8 has won me over in many ways. It offers accurate data tracking, smart features like cycle tracking and pregnancy mode, all on top of the impressive battery life. For those looking for a more robust fitness watch, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for joining us today at WatchWire News.